Now this is a phylogenetic tree revealing a closer look at the organisms and their relationship with each other in the Platyhelminthes phylum. It is bilaterally symmetrical, meaning that you can split it vertically down the center into two equal halves. This can be shown by the red dotted arrows in the diagram. This means that they have a bilateral nervous system, making them the simplest animals to have one. Sense receptors and nerves are concentrated on the anterior end, called the scolex or the head, which means that it is relatively cephalized. In the embryo, 3 different tissue layers are formed, making it triploblastic. This consists of the ectoderm, the mesoderm, and the endoderm. A digestive system is not present, which means that it feeds by absorbing nutrients in the form of carbohydrates from the digestive system of its host across the membrane. Their secretions make the digestive system of the host more acidic, making it easier for them to absorb the nutrients. It is an acoelomate, meaning that it has no body cavities or a blood vascular system. The definite host, which is the human, passes proglotids, which are small segments of eggs from the mature tapeworm in the small intestine through feces. The intermediate host, the pig, ingests food contaminated with feces and therefore the proglotids filled with the eggs. The embryo hatches from the eggs and moves through the intestinal wall and into the circulatory system, where it then enters the muscle tissue. The parasite is acquired by ingesting undercooked pork. A double row of hooks and 4 suckers, named the scolex, attaches itself to the human's small intestine and matures. Then the process repeats. The tapeworm's long and flat body is ideal for absorbing maximum amounts of nutrients because of its surface area to volume ratio. The long and flat body also allows it to easily grow through a large section of the host's intestine. It moves through basic muscle contractions. The scolex was formed so that the adult could stay attached to its host. It developed proglotids that would break off and be passed through the host's feces. It takes advantage of living in the intestine as eggs get passed through easily in order to continue its life cycle. The tapeworm is monoecious, meaning that it is having both the male and the female reproductive organs in the same individual. The male and the female reproductive systems are held inside each individual proglotid. The unfertilized egg moves through the oviduct from the ovary to become fertilized. Each proglotid contains 150 to 200 testes. Sperm is released where it travels through the vas deferens into the vagina through the genital pore. Therefore, reproduction takes place within the single proglotid of a single tapeworm. Parasite is an organism that obtains nutrients from other organisms in a harmful way that doesn't cause immediate death. It causes serious economic problems to the pig product industry. Rather than conservation efforts, eradication efforts are underway to stop transmission of the parasite. Elimination processes such as meat inspections and animal inspections are in place in order to stop the spread.